What's going on? Sean here, welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing the end of the month recap for January 2019.
Nerf this!
So if you are new here, please consider subscribing because I do release videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. I also do release bonus videos at random, so make sure you have the post notifications turned on so you won't miss a thing. With that being said, if you've never seen one of the end of the month recaps before, I basically rate myself scale 1 to 5 in 5 different categories, those categories being physically, socially, financially, spiritually, and mentally. So let's jump right in. So physically, in the month of January for 2019, I felt really good. For the most part, my diet and exercise routine was on point. I did take a couple of days off because I was sick. However, because I took a few days off, I hit some new PRs, which is like crazy to me because I was sick. The first day I got back into the gym, I was lifting more weight. So I think that is a testament on what rest can do for your body, and I think that I need to listen to my body more and take more rest. My diet could be better, but for the most part was on point, so I rated myself a 4. Spiritually, in the month of January, I rated myself a 5. I had a really good month spiritually. I really was aligned with myself, with my goals, what I wanted to put out into the universe. Mentally, in the month of January, I rated myself a 4. It was a really, really good month because I went down to Jersey, if you've seen videos in the past, and I wasn't in the office as much as I was supposed to be this month, again, because being down in New Jersey and I was sick, so I took a day off. So it was really good for my mental health to be away from that environment, and not that, you know, the 9-to-5 job is the worst place in the world, but it really is like a place where I really don't feel like I'm in alignment with myself. So when I'm outside of there is really when I thrive. So mentally speaking, this month it was really good. Financially, this month was not my best month, again, because I had a couple days off, because I was down in New Jersey. You know, it allowed me not to make as much commission as I normally would, and we've had some wedding expenses that we had to pay out this month. So, you know, financially, you know, it wasn't the best month, but that's okay. I gave myself a 3. So it wasn't the worst, wasn't the best, but we're rolling on to February. And socially, for the month of January, I gave myself a 5. Lily and I have done date night every single Friday for the past, I think, 2 months now. And every weekend we've done something, whether it was going to the piano bar in Boston or hanging out with friends or hanging out with family. We've been really trying to, you know, hang out with friends and family a lot more because we tend to be hermits and we tend to be super frugal because we have the wedding coming up and we have goals that, you know, are going to take money to achieve. So we really are thinking big picture, and sometimes, you know, we can get caught up in that, but you need time for friends, you need time for family. So January was a great month for us, so a 5 for socially. So for the month of January in total was a 4.2, which I really think was my best month yet. And we're just gonna keep this train rolling on. 2019, let's go. I'm excited, so let's get up. If you want to participate in the end of the month recap, please leave me a comment below, or if you're ever interested in the equipment I use, I always link it down below for you. So be sure to check it out if you do want to make videos like this, or feel free to reach out to me in the comments. Let me know your thoughts on this, on how you did this month, what your goals are for 2019, and if you need help getting back on track. So thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Sean, and each and every video I try to make you the best version of you, alright? So go and crush it, guys. I'll catch you next time. Signing off.